using pork, we use Asian chicken instead of Asian pork. So it'll be marinated over 24 hours. And you know it's going to be fabulous, don't you? Okay, what I'm going to do now is put it in this little rack here. Because we're going to broil it. Put it on each side. Just like this. It's real good. Because our skin side. And we're going to put it on the broiler. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to cook this. Put it in the microwave and let it get cooked. And what I'm going to do now is put this on the broiler. And we'll be right back and let you see what that looks like. Our Asian chicken, y'all. Alright, it's been on the broiler for about 5 minutes. So what we're going to do is put a little bit more sauce on top. Just a little. So we can brown it again. Because the chicken breast is not like a pork loin. So we're using the chicken breast in place of a pork loin. So we're going to put this back in the oven another 5 minutes. Underneath the broiler, another 5 minutes. Alright, this is the 15 minutes of the broiling of our Asian chicken, y'all. So what I'm going to do now is add a little bit more sauce on it. And I'm going to put it in the oven and let it cook about 15 minutes in the oven so it could be already done on 350, so therefore it won't get over dry. But the way it looks, it's marvelous, y'all. We'll be right back. Alright, our chicken is done. We're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we're going to cut it, and I'm going to do a vegetable noodles to go with this. Yes, indeed, and you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to show you step by step how to do those noodles with the vegetables in to do this, to go with this chicken. I'll be right back. All right, to do our noodles, we have bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion and garlic and ginger in this pan right here. So what we're going to do now is add our spaghetti with our noodles, and we'll be right back. I'm adding sesame seed oil. I'm adding soy sauce. If I can get it open, y'all, some soy sauce real quick. Okay, some soy sauce. I'm holding the camera. And we're adding some pepperoncinos, and I'll be right back. Tossing this together, and it is fabulous, y'all. It smells wonderful, and we're going to serve it with our chicken. All right. We're going to get ready to slice our chicken. And I already took a little piece of it. So I'm going to slice just a little. And let y'all see what it looked like. And it looks good. Look at that. Now I got the skin side. And this is what it looked like. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? After this end results, I will show you how to make this wonderful style chicken. And it is marvelous, y'all. It's marvelous. I'm going to show you step by step how to cut it. Now, instead of using pork, you can use chicken. Something I never tried to do with chicken, y'all. But, you know, Sandra's going to try. And this is what it looks like right now, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? That is fabulous. That's beautiful. And look at the red around there. Because it marinated over 24 hours. And look how beautiful it is. It is a beautiful chicken, y'all. It's wonderful. The second will tell you happy eating. And after this presentation, I'll show you how to do this wonderful chicken.